Want to learn how to create a photo collage on an Instagram story? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, to create a story with a collage in it, you need to tap on your story onto the story section on the top left corner. Tap on your profile icon or your profile picture here. You can see there is an option of layout below boomerang. Tap on layout. You can see that you have got a layout. You can choose one of the layouts to make it 3 layered or the 4 one. I want to have 4 of the layers, so I'm going to choose it. And here you can see the maximize and the minimize version of layout. It could be 2 layered, 3 layered, to horizontal layers, to vertical layers, and even the 6 layers. I want to take 6 layers. I'm going to choose in 6. So you can see there are 6 rooms available for us to create a collage. You can either take a picture at the moment or choose one from the gallery. I want to choose from the gallery. For that, I'm going to tap on this gallery icon with a addition shine on it on the bottom left corner. So here it's my gallery. I'm going to choose one of the picture suitable for collage. Alright, I want to choose this picture, or either you can short a picture at the moment by just tapping on this capture icon on the bottom center. So you can see that's the picture on the second room. Now for the third one, I'm going to choose one from the gallery again. So I'm going to tap on this gallery icon on the bottom left corner once again. So you can choose it serially one by one, just like this. And here you can even use the filters as well. Below you can see you can slide them and choose them and take a picture with their filters. So you can see that I have successfully created a collage for myself, and if I want to delete a photo or video, I need to press on this crush bar on the top left corner, or if I want to approve it, I can tap on OK on the right corner. So now to approve it, I need to tap on the stick option in the bottom center. I'm going to tap on it. So it's been processed, and you can see that it's a story that I have just made successfully with an Instagram collage. So I can add more filters to it or even add a caption. You can do of your own, and after that tap on this your story option on the bottom left corner to keep it as your story. So it's already processed. You can tap on your story and see it. That's it. So this is how you create an Instagram collage for an Instagram story. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.